everyone, welcome back to my studio and a little bit more watercolor work. So I'm not sure you can see very well what's here, but I'm going to try a dragonfly again. This time I was a lot more careful about proportion and balance. I have it slightly more centered on the page. I'm still too far that way, but I'm getting better at it. But the wings are more the same size and they're larger. I think I made them a little too small last time compared to the body length. So hopefully this is a little better. So now that I have my outline and I've dulled down the pencil a bit, we're going to start with the pen. And again, this is a Micron ink pen, and it is waterproof and archival. And that's going to keep it so that when I paint later over top of this, I am not going to have an issue of the pen bleeding. Now, the one thing you want to do is put this in, but you don't want to put it really firm. I mean, if you want, you can put nice, firm, stiff lines that are, you know, super dark and straight. I like to make them sort of scratchy, sketchy. One thing you do want to make sure is if you did pencil, you know, ahead of time, that you don't have any pencil lines. I can still see this one just a little bit, but I had lines, demarcation lines, helping me make the wings the right size and shape, and I did my best to erase as much of that as I could. But you know, any pencil that's there when you start putting paint over top is gonna light right back up. So now we've got some ink down. We are ready to start painting. So I'm going to get some water into my paints here and try and decide what colors I want to put on here today. I don't want to use a lot of colors. Now we're going to get out my Princeton Neptune size 8 round and have a little fun here. I don't want to get too heavy on this. I just want to sort of put a smear of color. Get too much color, you can always, you know, go over it with a wet brush and pull some of it back out. And I'm going to make sure I overlap these so that we get sort of a different color where they bleed into each other. Like I said, I'm not worried if they mingle and mix. I'm not trying to be super accurate here. Love the like rainbow effect that I'm getting in those. What I want to do is dry this a little bit before I play with the background, just so we're not going to smear anything here. Okay, now I think for the background, I want to start with some yellow. Again, I'm going to dry it, and then I'm going to put some more splatter in. Okay, I've been looking at this and I've decided it needs a little something more. So I'm going to wet down a couple of these colors a bit. Just the two I want. So I've decided I need a little something more in the background here. Okay, everyone, this one is fully done. I am so happy with this guy. The background came out pretty. He's looking good. I like the different coloring in him. And I'm really happy that I added the grasses. It just added such a pop. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. It costs you nothing and it really helps my channel. Now this is Friday with Friends, so please follow along. All the links in the description box. We start off the evening with Pattie from Let's Pour with Pattie, then Bill from Roberson Art, and then after me is Billy with BCC Arts Studios. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a wonderful weekend, everyone.